this business. Even if you're a busy parent, working parent, even if you're working 9 to 5, being an educator, I can tell you that we not only work in school, we bring back homeworks back home because we are preparing continuously for the next day. Even on weekends, we are working, planning things for the upcoming week for our students. So if I am able to manage with my teaching profession, there are busy or new moms in our community who just have like no babies are newborn babies. They are still doing this business, and they are managing it so well. It's all in the mindset, like how Sis Donna said, it's all in your mindset. See, everybody has got 24 hours in a day. Yes, if we want to give excuse, we can give excuse. If you want to do something for yourself, for your family, for your kids, you can remove time. Even if you feel that there is no time, you can still remove time, and you can work on the business. And this business is so flexible that you do not need to work on a fixed schedule. You decide when you want to work on it. You decide whether you want to work 10 minutes, then give a break, again a 10 minutes, give a break. It's so flexible. You can do it. I do it even when I'm in school, when I have a free class with my mobile. If I have any queries, if I do want to make a content or something, I am working on my mobile. We've got Wi-Fi connections all across. Yes, everywhere you go to a mall, anywhere you go, there is Wi-Fi connection. All you need is your mobile,
It's a
or
mobile.
work on with the Wi-Fi connection, and you're good to go. Yes, busy parents can do this. It is doable. That's the reason I am doing it. And you don't have to be clinging on to your system or your laptop for 4 hours, 5 hours, or from morning to evening, or 3 hours continuously. No, it's so flexible, and there is nobody to ask you, there is no, the best thing is we don't have any target to achieve, and there's nobody to bug you and to nag you like, no, why didn't you do this? You are your own boss, and you are deciding for yourself what you want to do, how you want to do the business. So that's what I want to share.
Yes.
So truly, guys, actually, the more busy you are, the more you need this business
Yes.
so that you can have the automation help you to earn income 24/7, right?
Yes.
Because like we know, we only have 24 hours a day, right? Either you work 8 hours, 10 hours, or 12 hours. That's the time that you trade in time for money,
Yeah.
right? But with this system, with the automation that run 24/7, it helps you to earn income 24/7.
Yeah.
How amazing is that? And not
Yes.
only one stream of income, we have 4 stream of income, right? Just one example, Beth, she my mentor, she from San Francisco. She a full-time engineering. She a single mom of 3 young kids. Nobody helping her, guys. So she only do this business maybe like 15 minutes, 30 minutes when her kid go to bed at night, right? Because she need extra income to help her with her financial. Guess what? 1 year in the business, she earned 5-figure income monthly from home. And
Awesome.
Wow.
actually, yeah, she said this business actually higher pay than her full-time
Wages.
engineer pay, guy.
Yeah.
Right? And with full-time engineer, she have to work 8 hours per day. This
Yeah.
business you only do on the side roughly an hour a day or so, right?
Yeah.
And I want to shout out to her, Beth Cherian. She right now driving her 3 children to LA to get her 6 milestone certification
Wow.
and the $3,000 bonus, guys.
Hooray, hooray.
Hey.
Congratulations, Beth. Amazing. See, guys, the more busy you are, the more you need to have passive income.
Absolutely.
Again, this business automations, 24/7 earning for you and 4 stream of income. And you can pass on legacy for your
Yeah.
children.
Yes. Yeah.
Shishito, you have 3 children, right? Like Sis Beth,
Yes.
you have 3 children. This business you can pass it on to your kids, and guess what?
Yes.
To your
Yeah.
grandkid, to Ray grandkid, and they can call out your name, right?
Yeah.
Like thank you, Rama Shita, thank you, Ray Rama.
True. Yeah.
This business, you the legacy passing on.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I want to say, they don't have to start from ground zero. When you pass
Yes.
on, right? For
Pave the
example,
way for them.
yeah, they just continue on the level you're earning. You know,
Yes.
like
Yes.
5-figure income, 6-figure income, whatever that is.
Yeah.
Truly,
Mm.
truly best, guy. So let's go to
Yeah.
the very fun question. Sid Marilu.
Yay.
Yes. There are so many. What is this? Sorry, I can see properly. I'm on my mobile. What are the what are your achievements so far? When you
My
start this business.
yes, my achievement is I believe that no, it's not only yes, we all join a plan B stream of income. We are looking for a passive income for financial support or financial help so that we can support our spouse and take care of our children's outing and fees and so many other things. Yes, for me, I also believe that achievement uh, uh, it is personal and financial. So
Yeah.
I have seen a massive personal growth after coming into this online digital business. Uh, I was a total introvert, shy person when I joined, and I used to be so nervous. I couldn't come out here or make a simple video, but now learning from the leaders of the community, from our training, which is awesome, simple video based training, everything is laid out for you step by step. So learning from that with the support of my mentor and my coach and the whole huge community that we have, I have become more confident. I have learned to realize the inner potential in me. And yes, financial growth is there for sure. Yes. And you need to have that. I have learned to like no believe in myself and believe that I can achieve my dreams and my goals through this proven system and being part of this business. If I consistently work on it with dedication and with discipline, things will happen. And it has also helped me handling my kids in at home, even when they come telling me like, Mom, this lesson is so difficult, this is so difficult. I said, keep trying, you will get it. The same thing applies back. I apply what I learned from my business, the good things I apply back in my school with my students. It is just so awesome. There is huge achievements that you can, if you believe in the system and if you know that it's going to work, even if it takes time, keep going on and you will achieve success.
Yeah.
Thank
Yes.
Time
yeah,
will
yeah.
pass
Yeah.
anyway.
I can totally relate with you because, like me, I'm an introvert as well. I'm always shy to talk to people, even though they are in front of me. I'm still sometimes I have my mind speaks, but my mouth is not opening. So I that's why when I started this business, I become more open and
Confidence.
because confident, and the people that supporting me are awesome as well. They are all trying to lift you up instead of pulling you down.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, this business is truly amazing. It gives me more positivities in life as well.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
And I want to say thank you, our viewer that watching us. Say hi to Sid Mila. She say hello, Sid PB, watching live from California.
Hello.
Yeah, guys. So Sid Mila also came to Japan for our company 50-year convention, guy, and we met her here. See, we earn online and we met offline, guy, with our global business. And this is Chris. She say watching live from Okinawa, Japan. Woo! Yeah, so the convention were in Okinawa. I met her there. We hanging out. So much fun, guy. So truly, I want to emphasize this, right? We are introverts. We are shy, right? Like if you look at my Facebook page, I know 1 years ago before I started business, all you see is the picture of the food that I eat. You don't see my face. You don't see whatever I talk because I'm shy. So we born that way, guy. But don't let that to stop you to achieve your goal and your dream,
Yeah.
right? And truly, with our business, beside, right? Beside retire at 45 besides earning 5-figure income monthly from home. I have so much personal role. Like she thought, you're more confident, you're happier, and your life have more purpose, right? We provide you with the support. We provide you with the step-by-step training. And truly, the personal role and the relationship role is out of the world. You know, you learn to be patient. You learn now you live with purpose, right? Because your goals and your dream is within reach without digital business. How amazing to be earn income 24/7. When you wake up, you have business partner. When you come to your mailbox, you get multiple checks, right? And no other job can give you 4 stream of income,
Yeah.
right? And this is truly passive because we have the automation that run for you.
Yeah.
So nonetheless, okay, I'm shy, I'm introvert, my personality is all about mindset, right?
Yeah.
And guys, take the next step. Check out our online business. Reaching out to Shit Lian, Shit Donna, Shit Shita, Shit Marilu here. We love to share with you the complimentary webinar. The same one that I watched last year and now helped me to retire at 8:45. Guys,
And
so
the same one that I watched as well.
And,
yes,
and also to those people who say that they don't know about computer, guys, we have a video-based training in here. Even though you
Yep.
don't have a business experience, we have an training, unlimited training. We have webinar. We have like this. We have supporting the youth community is always here for you guys. You will not alone.
Yeah, and we provide you with the mentorship and the coaching for life.
Mhm.
Truly, you know, my husband and I, we got into the real estate investing and we paid $10,000 for the mentor to spend 2 day weekend with us, just to show us some skill about real estate investing.
Wow.
$10,000 for the mentorship for 2 day. With
Wow.
this business,
No.
you got world class training, you got mentorship, and you got coaches for life. How
Yes.
amazing is that,
And
right?
it's free.
Yes, it's
It's
And
free.
it's free.
Part of our community. Yeah,
And
that's
you
the
can
good
be
thing.
your family too. Second
Yes, guys.
family.
So, guys, thank you for watching us, and please comment, say where you watching from. We love to connect with you and show you the way, guys. So let's go to our last questions. Sit Donna.
Yes. So finally, yeah. Shital, what is your advice to our audience? I know, a lot of people have been following. This is our 11th episode, and maybe in our respective pages, a lot of people have been following us for months or even years. So, and they're wondering, and they're still there. They're still watching our successes, right? So, for them to have this success also, what are the 3 easy steps?
I just want to say one simple quote that comes to my mind, and I keep telling that to others also and to myself. If you want to see the change, you need to take the chance. You need to take action. You need to take that leap of faith. The first step that you take is very, very important. If you take that first step, you have all of us here, you have a community here to support you and guide you. So until and unless you take that first step, register on one of our websites and watch that webinar. That is exactly how we all started our digital business journey, and the whole community has started this journey like that. So come in and do your due diligence. Ask us the question. Just don't sit there and just keep watching us. Please ask us the questions. I know that you might be scared, you might be skeptical. Don't let that hold you back. Just come and ask us the questions, clear your doubts, and take action. Without taking action, there is nothing going to. You need to push yourself a little bit, and things will start happening in your life. Just come with the right mindset to do something for yourself. As I said earlier, also have that spark within you that you want to learn, you want to see and achieve those dreams that is there with you for so many years. And many of us as working parents or working professionals, we are struggling day in and day out, working hard. And at the end of the month, we are looking for the next paycheck to come in. So let's not have that carrying on throughout our life, and build a legacy for our children,
Yeah.
that they will be proud of us. They don't have to struggle like us.
Yeah.
So this is what I want to advise you people. Come, take that bold step, take action, and you will be totally amazed at what you are going to come across.
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
Love it,
Absolutely.
guys.
Love
Love
it.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I completely agree. Nothing changed is nothing changed, right? So like if you are struggling with your bills, if you have several credit card debts, and you have children and they grow up so fast and you keep missing out on their milestone, guy, or you want to travel the world, or simply you want to spend more time with your family,
Yeah.
give this business a check out, right? Because we achieve the time freedom, the financial freedom, and also the location freedom
Yeah.
through
Yes.
this online business. And truly, this is a godsend blessing, and we cannot wait to share with you.
Yes.
Skeptical, that is your normal response to protect yourself, and that's it good. You
Yeah.
need to have skeptical when you check out something, but don't stop at the skeptical. Don't stop at the sell down. Like Sissy Thor say, take action, check it out. It starts with a free webinar,
Yeah.
right? It's an information session, give you the overview how the business works and how the business have been transformed thousands of lives across the world,
Yeah.
right? So send message to us, guys. Sit